Hey everyone, it's me Jinjiju and you are watching Creative Lab. Today I will show you a product which I got from online shopping site. It is a tool which helps you to regrow your hair and also repair your damaged skin. I will also talk about some of the benefit of using this one and also how to use this one effectively. Before moving to the video, I will share something else. As you all know, the world is worried of COVID-19. So I would like to share some of the preventive measures to fight against the virus together. Because prevention is better than cure. Try to avoid group gathering, and if you are moving out of your home, just wear a surgical mask to cover your face. When you reach home, wash your hands thoroughly with soap or other bases to kill the virus. Always carry an alcohol-based sanitizer to make you clean. Also, it is better to stay in your home. While you are staying in your home, go to YouTube and search for my channel and watch my video. Before getting late, let's start the video. Now let's unbox this tool. The name dermaroller was given by the seller who made this product. Actually, the process is microneedling, which was done by dermatologists, but now we can do this in more cheaper way at home. This product is meant for only personal use and cannot be shared with other person. This product is packed inside a plastic case which we can keep after the use. It is having an anti-slipping grip design which helps us to hold firmly. At the end you can see the moving part having 540 microneedles made up of metal titanium. I felt it's just a fidget spinner. Isn't it? Before the first use, you have to sterilize it with warm water or clean it with sanitizer. Also, after every use, just sterilize it in a boiling water. This skincare tool helps to rejuvenate the skin, treat acne and scarring, also reduce aging, oily skin, large pores and remove dead cells. From my personal experience, it helps to regrow baby hairs on the forehead. Now let's discuss how to use this 2 times effectively. Take the roller and gently roll it over any of the place on your skin in different direction. Roll it twice on your cheeks, forehead, chin and neck by applying as much pressure you could tolerate comfortably. No need to press too hard because it causes bleeding. This technique triggers the body's wound healing response and skin starts to produce more collagen and stimulate the growth for hair by forming new blood vessels. While rolling, apply aloe vera oil mixed with liquid inside a vitamin C tablet for better result. As you all know, it does not give the result within an overnight because it depends on the amount of nutrients inside your body. All the thing you need is patience and wait for the result within 5 or 6 weeks. After 5 to 10 minutes rolling, wash your skin with ice water and apply any of the nutritive moisturizer for glowing skin. Even though the dermaroller with needle size 0.5 mm length is meant for daily use, as a sensitive skin type like me, it causes swelling, discomfort, dryness and flaking of skin. So I recommend to use it 5 times in a month. If you got the better result by following my tips, please comment down below. I will leave the product link in the description. If you loved my video, give a like. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more creative stuff. Till then, stay safe and peace.